Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. First off, thank you for staying tuned. It's been quite a journey actually, rebuilding the X1 or BMW X1. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's helped me a lot more than you could probably realise actually. It's helped me quite mentally as well, but I've really enjoyed it and has had quite a few ups, had quite a few downs. However, it's been a learning curve for me, and I'm always keen to find a challenge and to learn and grow from it. So as you've already guessed from the video description, the BMW X1 is now up for sale. It is on AutoTrader, which I'll put a link in the description. The car passes MOT as well, flying colours, no advisories. I sit in here, why am I surprised? The car's brilliant. There's, as you can see in the walk around and the build over the past several weeks, whatever the car's needed, it's had done. It's either had brand new panels of brand new parts directly from the dealership, BMW, or if I've managed to find good quality parts from a broker, I've also done that. But yeah, it's been slow roller coaster. I'm looking for the next project. I've viewed a few cars already. Either they've gone out over budget in the auction, or the car, or one car in particular I did view, the headlight fell out. And when I further looked into that car, a poor paint repair job done it. It was just literally a bodge job, slap some paint on and put it through auction and hope no one would inspect the vehicle prior to bidding. So I dodged a bullet on that one. So that has gone now. Brilliant. I don't know if I've seen it pop up on auction again. So yeah, I think it just really shows we've dodged a bullet on that one. So yeah, the BMW X1 is now up for sale on AutoTrader. I had considered putting it up on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, but from experience buying on there, predominantly selling, you get all sorts of people messaging or messing you around on there. So people offering all sorts of silly things for a car, or just asking loads of questions and then just going completely quiet. So I can't be dealing with that. I haven't got the time to deal with that. So I've always found AutoTrader really good place to buy and sell cars over the years, and it seems to cut through a lot of the it seems to attract serious buyers, which is good. So car is on AutoTrader, as I said. So yeah, keen to find the next project, getting on the channel and start rebuilding the next one. But yeah, in the meantime though, I don't want to rush this. So in the meantime, if there's any other videos you'd like to see, I'll see behind my BMW M3. I love this car. It's just something magical about this one. About the M3 with the V8, and then also got the M5 out there. So yeah, if there's anything in the meantime you'd like to see, any content, please drop me a message, drop me a comment, and let's see what we can pull together. Ideally car, garage related. Don't go ask me to show my garden or planting some plants. I'm not into that. So yeah, anything in the meantime, just drop me a note, and I'll see what I can pull together. I will try to continue doing a video a week. So yeah, please stay tuned, like and subscribe if you'd like to see the next project car, and yeah, have a good day. To and fro in discussing with the wife, thought it would be best to sell the car to free up some funds. Funny story actually, the same weekend we actually won the car at Copart. We did also buy another car for her, so we could get her moving and traveling to work as quick as possible. So we did actually buy her a Mazda the same weekend, which she thoroughly enjoys the car, and also is very well spec'd as well. So she's happy to keep that. That only cost a couple of grand, so it makes financial sense for her to keep that one.